We're going to solve sensible heating problems. So we have a 10 kilowatt electric heater heats air from 18 degrees C to 38 degrees C. Determine the mass flow rate of air. So we have given that Q is 10 kilowatts, the T1 18 degrees C and T2 28 degrees C. The required is the mass flow rate of air. So we have a solution that is Q is equals to mCp delta T. So, ang CP natin is constant na 1.005. So, natin i-plug in ang mga values. So, we have 10 is equals to m times 1.005 times 38 minus 18. So, ito ay siya i-plug. Itabo. So, ano siya? M is equals to 10 divided by 1.005 times 38 minus 18. Natin m na 0.498 kg per second. So, second problem natin is an air handling unit adds 30 kilowatts of sensible heat to air. If the total heat added including latent is 40 kilowatts, find the sensible heat ratio of SHR. So natin given na sensible heat is equals to 30 kilowatts and total heat is 40 kilowatts. So ito required is ang SHR. Natin solution ng SHR is equals to sensible heat over total heat. So, ito yung plugging ng values na tayo SHR is equals to 30 over 40 na tayo SHR na 0.05.